Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making a simple and elegant pearl station necklace. This design has a clean, minimalist look, and it's very beginner-friendly. As always, we'll be using only fishing line, no tools and no crimps. It's light, flexible, and comfortable to wear, and you can also wrap it around your wrist and wear it as a bracelet. When you're making longer necklaces, it's very easy to run out of fishing line, and working with very long thread can be difficult. So, one important part of today's tutorial is how to add fishing line in the middle of a project in a simple and secure way. Here are the 3 pearl station necklaces shown in this video. Gold necklace, approximately 15.5 inches long, made with 11 pearls. Silver necklace, approximately 18.5 inches long, made with 13 pearls. Bronze necklace, approximately 23.5 inches long, made with 17 pearls. Today, I'll be demonstrating the gold version in the tutorial. Now, let's talk about fishing line length. From testing, about 100 inches of fishing line can make a necklace around 24 to 25 inches long. About 50 inches of fishing line makes a necklace around 12 to 13 inches long. If you want to make an 18-inch necklace, you would normally need about 70 to 80 inches of fishing line when using a single thread. Here are the materials used for the other necklaces shown in the video. Silver necklace, 13 pieces of 8 mm pearls, and size 11 seed beads. Bronze necklace, 17 pieces of 8 mm pearls, and size 11 seed beads. Okay, now let's look at today's materials. Gold necklace. To make the 15.5-inch gold pearl station necklace, you'll need 11 pieces of 8 mm pearls, size 11 seed beads, 1 magnetic clasp, or any clasp of your choice, 4 pounds fishing line. I'll call the fishing line thread during the tutorial. Alright, let's get started. I'm cutting the thread at 30 inches since I'll be showing you how to add more thread later. If you don't want to add thread, simply cut the thread to match your necklace length. You can color the tips of the thread if that helps you see them better. Pass the thread through the loop of the magnetic clasp, making sure the clasp is centered on the thread. Hold one end of the thread in each hand. Pick up one seed bead with one thread, then pass the other thread through the same bead from the opposite side. Pull both ends to tighten. To reinforce the necklace end, pass each thread through the magnetic clasp and the seed bead one more time. Before you start weaving, make sure both thread are the same length. Hold one end of the thread in each hand. Pick up 2 seed beads with one thread and 1 seed bead with the other thread. Pass the thread with 1 seed bead through the second seed bead on the other thread from the opposite side, then pull both ends to tighten. This completes the first weave. We'll continue this same motion until we've completed 8 weaves in total. Let's do the next one together. Again, pick up 2 seed beads on one thread and 1 seed bead on the other thread. Pass the thread with one seed bead through the second bead from the opposite side, then pull both ends to tighten. Keep repeating this step until you have completed 8 weaves altogether. Once you've finished 8 weaves, bring both thread ends together and pass them through one 8mm purl. Now, hold one end of the thread in each hand again. Pick up one seed bead with one thread, then pass the other thread through the same bead from the opposite side. Pull both ends to tighten. We'll now start the next section. Pick up 2 seed beads with one thread and one seed bead with the other thread. Pass the thread with one seed bead through the second bead on the other thread from the opposite side and pull both threads to tighten. Again, continue this same step until you've completed 8 weaves in total, then add another 8mm purl. You'll repeat this pattern along the necklace. Between each 8mm purl, the weaving step is completed 8 times. Now, I'll show you how to add more thread when your thread becomes short. If you don't need this part, you can skip ahead to the finishing the necklace section. After adding one seed bead right after the 8mm purl, stop here. This is the point where we'll add the new thread. Tie double knots, then pass both threads back through the purl. Make sure the knots are hidden inside the purl. Next, pass each thread through the seed bead next to the purl, crossing the threads inside the bead. Tie double knots again, then pass both threads back into the purl one more time. Again, make sure the knots are hidden inside the purl. Finally, cut both threads. Now that the old threads are taken care of, let's add the new thread. Prepare a new piece of thread. I'm cutting mine at 35 inches. Pass the new thread through the last seed bead, then adjust it so both sides are the same length. Hold one end of the thread in each hand and continue weaving using the same pattern as before. Repeat the weaving pattern until you've completed 8 weaves in total, then add another 8mm purl. Continue repeating this sequence along the necklace. Once you reach your desired length, come back here and we'll move on to finishing the necklace section. Welcome back. You've now woven to your desired length and completed the final set of 8 weaving repetitions. Let's attach the threads to the clasp. Hold one thread and pass it through the remaining loop of the magnetic clasp. Then, take the other thread and pass it through the same loop from the opposite side. Next, pass each thread back into the seed bead next to the clasp, crossing the threads inside the bead. If you'd like extra security, you can go around the clasp one more time. Now, both threads are coming out of the seed bead next to the clasp in opposite direction. Hold one thread and weave back toward the nearest pearl, following the same path the thread already took. Stop weaving at the seed bead right next to the pearl. Then, take the other thread and weave back toward the same pearl, following its thread path, and stop at the seed bead next to the pearl again. Now, both threads are coming out of the bead next to the pearl in opposite directions. Tie double knots, then pass both threads through the pearl, making sure the knots are hidden inside the pearl. Next, pass each thread through the seed bead next to the pearl, crossing the threads inside the bead. Tie double knots again, and pass both threads back through the pearl one more time, hiding the knots inside the pearl. Finally, cut both threads. That's it. You've finished your pearl station necklace. Enjoy wearing your beautiful piece.